Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a quick one. So, a lot of you guys have been hearing about Ramp and how to create a vault and how to stake on the Ramp network. Well, there's a couple different ways. So, first off, if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys have not subscribed, go ahead and flip that button on, make it turn red, and go ahead and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be cool. Anyways, so let's check out the Ramp token and how to participate in either the staking or the vaults. So right now they got 355%. I'm just telling you this, guys. I don't know why I should be, but the more people I tell, it seems like I'm just going to decrease that percent. But anyways, it's 355% API, and yes, it is legit. So this is how you do it. You literally select it. First, you got to get the LP tokens. So let me show you guys how to get the LP tokens. So you go over to Uniswap, and we're going to say we're going to create a pair of the ETH and the Ramp tokens. So we're going to need to do the ETH and the Ramp pool. So first, we will go to Uniswap. We'll hit pool, and we'll create a pair. And now you got to go get the contract address for the Ramp tokens. So you can get the contract address through Etherscan. You can click it here on this contract address, or you can literally click it on here. There's different ways you can get it. Well, we're just going to go on the Etherscan, and we're going to go here, and we're going to get the contract address. So you can find the contract address here. We're going to smash copy, and then we're going to go to Uniswap, and then we're going to select a token, then we're going to hit paste, and then we're going to get Ramp. Oh, I accidentally clicked it. I got to click add. Add. Well, actually, no, we already clicked it, dummy. Alright, so yeah, we added it in there, so now we got the Ramp tokens. Literally, I don't have any Ramp in my wallet right now. So to participate in like a 50-50, because it has to be 50-50. So 1 ETH is currently equal to 5,060 Ramp. So I have to have both of these in my wallet. And then this will say, okay, provide liquidity. It'll allow you to do it. Then it'll give a MetaMask transaction. And now you have your LP tokens. So now you go back on the Ramp website, or the Ramp, rampdefi.com. And now what we're going to do is we're going to stake tokens. So we hit approve. You go to your MetaMask, and obviously you hit confirm for the transaction fee. I don't have any staked tokens. So I just have to stake my tokens, which when you do the approve, you can pull it up on that way. Here's also a link where you can go to the Medium post. This is the Medium post on how to do it. I just walked you guys through it. Super easy to do. A couple things to know is you can unstake it at any time you want. There is no bonding period. If there are any other questions you guys also have, leave it in the comments below. I'll answer the questions and give you guys some tips on it, because I probably forgot some stuff in the video. I forget stuff all the time. But hey, that's what videos are for. You can create the video and then leave in the comments and edit it that way. Anyways, so you can unbind it or unbond them, and then you go straight on Uniswap. And if you want to exchange your LP tokens, you literally go straight on Uniswap. And when you go to the unbounding, it'll show up here. You can click on it and you can literally just unbind it. Really easy to do. Nothing fancy. But you want to keep this in mind, guys. Okay. So a lot of people don't run over this, but you have the value or the factor of impermanent loss. So people are like, what's impermanent loss? Why do I need to care? Well, you need to care because of this. If you participated in a liquidity provider, or not a liquidity, but you minted the tokens, say on January 3rd, Ethereum was like $700 at the time or something. Let's see, we'll do the ETH pair. So look, Ethereum was down here. So now that this price just pumped like crazy, now you have, okay, great, awesome. That's not good at all. Because now if you really were bullish on Ethereum, your Ethereum is now going to be worth less. Because this is a, because this is a collateral. So if you're doing a 50-50 collateral, it's going to keep that steady. So say Ethereum goes up and your Ramp token Ethereum doesn't go up as fast as Ramp does, It's a hard concept to grasp, but say Ethereum goes up 10x, or ramp goes up 10x like it did, and Ethereum only goes up 2x. So now your ramp tokens are worth 5 times more than your Ethereum tokens were, because 10x, 2x, divide the 2. So you guys get the point. So now if you put in 50 ramp tokens and 1 ETH, now you have 1 ETH for those 10 ramp, or I'm sorry, you have 5 ETH for those 10 ramp tokens. So if you're bullish on ETH, yeah, it's a good thing. But if you're bullish on ramp, well, you kind of missed out and you lost 40 of your tokens for every 50. So you guys got to keep that in mind, keep that factor. And yeah, you may earn some interest, some juicy interest actually. You get the ramp rewards, so you get like 30%, so it's pretty good. It's really good actually. So do keep that in mind. But again, guys, this is not financial advice. This is just how you can use the MetaMask protocol and to stake on it. So guys, if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. And this is how you create a liquidity or LP token on Uniswap and stake it on Ramp DeFi. Thanks for watching.
If you guys are new to cryptocurrency, don't know where to get started, don't know what to invest in, well, participate in the triple threat. The first thing, set up a Celsius account. This is for your savings. This is where you're going to store your cryptocurrency and you can earn interest. It can be up to 5%, 6%, 10%, and they even have some as high as 17%. Here's a referral link. Use this referral link in order to get 20 bucks in free Bitcoin. Part 2 of the triple threat is to get a crypto.com. Crypto.com account is one of the best places, especially for a beginner, to buy cryptocurrencies, or well, smaller altcoins. So now you have a savings account. Now you need to get a cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to buy those smaller altcoins like your Engine coin, your Raven coin, just like smaller alts, so you guys can participate in those big plays. My referral code is down here. If you use this, you'll get 25 bucks free.
And the next one is Voyager. Voyager is awesome. There's a list of different cryptocurrencies you can use. What I like about Voyager in particular is you can actually make your next level up in buying cryptocurrencies. You can actually buy Bitcoin with a limit order. So you just hit buy Bitcoin, hit limit, and you type in how much you want. Boom, you're off to the races. So you don't have to watch it and make sure it's a good buy. And here's a referral code you guys can use to get some free cryptocurrency. This will allow you to get $25 for free. Can't beat free.
And then obviously this is just a fun one, so you can get free cryptocurrency, is going on Lolly. You get a daily stack. All you do is you tap the treasure chest and you get free sats, and it's literally free. One of the days I literally got 20 bucks in free Bitcoin. Look, 101,000 sats. Pretty cool.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video.